Ron Atchison for AutoForge.net, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this big box of detailing supplies, possibly tools, equipment, who knows what it is. I have no idea myself. All I know is I had a big box coming and here it is. So I thought I'd open it up, let you guys see what's in there at the same time I see what's in there. So this is where I want to kind of involve you guys. If you see something that I pull out and it piques your interest and you'd like to see a demo on that product or a review, please leave a note in the comments section. Or if you see a product that you used in the past and you'd like to share your experience with, the other people that are reading the comments, please, share your thoughts and opinions on that too. So let's get to it and see exactly what's in this big box. Like I said, I have no idea what's in here. It could be just about anything. If you haven't visited AutoForge.net lately, you might want to take a look because we continually keep adding new products all the time. So this could be something that's been around for a little bit, or it could be a brand new product that we just got in that we're testing out. So we'll find out at the same time. So one thing AutoForge prides itself on is customer service and shipping of the products properly. If you look and see, all of our products are always shipped with plenty of packing material in there so that they safely arrive at their destination with no damage. So, first product is McKees 37 Xtreme Water Spot Remover. This product is a gel. It's thick, it's acid based that quickly, effortlessly dissolves stubborn water spots from paint, glass, chrome, and other vehicle surfaces. It is a fast acting formula that completely removes a water spot before they can do permanent damage and etching to the surface. So that's a brand new product. 3D wash and wax. If you guys know me, I love car soap, so kind of digging this one here. Be using this right away. Let's see, what's it say about this one? This is a new product to me. I've not used it. It's a thick, extremely concentrated pH balanced soap that cleans without dulling the finish, creates thick foam, and adds wax protection, easy rinse off. So 3D wash and wax. Another product from 3D, it is 513 ICUT Industrial Compound. It's a one-step compound polish that polishes to a high gloss with easy wipe off. You can use this with a wool pad or a spider cut pad. You can also use it as a finish polish. 3D ICUT is a one-step industrial strength fast cutting compound polish formulated for the needs of high volume production shops where speed is the top priority. For cutting, ICUT is formulated for use with a wool pad or a rotary polisher to remove sanding marks up to 1500. So this is a pretty heavy duty compound. And other paint defects for polishing, ICUT can be used with a foam pad on a rotary polisher or an orbital polisher to refine results from the cutting step. So 3D 513 ICUT. Nano Glass series from Duragloss. Duragloss is an outstanding company. They've got a lot of stellar products. Let's see, Duragloss Nano Glass Series ceramic spray sealant is a complex formulation designed to impart the properties of a ceramic with each application. Simply spray on a mist, wipe until dry for extreme gloss, durability, and extreme slickness. Formulated for ceramic coated surfaces, wrapped surfaces, and all types of painted non-porous surfaces. Contains no abrasives. So that is Nano Glass Ceramic Spray Sealant by Duragloss. This is the new IK sprayer. If you've seen any of my earlier videos, about a year or so ago, I got rid of every spray bottle I had, which was probably about 15, and I replaced every single one of them with an IK sprayer. I love IK sprayers, just an absolute wonderful spray bottle. The new Mini has a new piece that's built into the back of the spray head. Some people felt the back of the spray head was a little sharp, kind of cut into their hand here. I never had that problem, but this is the new Mini, and that's how they've corrected that. Nice product. If you've never tried an IK sprayer, step up your game, get an IK sprayer. Let's see what else we might have in here. There's so much packing material in here. Got to make sure that didn't miss anything. And sure enough, got some stuff at the bottom. What could this be? I think I know what this is. This is the new Auto Forge Polo. Beautiful shirt. Really liking the looks of that shirt. Looks nice. And last but not least, something that's brand new that I was really wanting to get one of them. As soon as I saw that we had them in, I'm like, man, I got to have one of those. And that is the pad. You can use this whenever you're kneeling next to the car, cleaning wheels, or you can sit on it when you're cleaning wheels, or any time that you've got to get down on the ground, or you're going to be polishing the side of a car for a while, and you know you need some place to sit that's soft. This thing's looks to be well over an inch thick, extremely soft. The other beautiful thing about this pad is it's waterproof. So if you get any kind of chemicals on it or anything, it is not going to absorb into the pad. Simply rinse it off, dry it off, you're good to go. As you can see, it's got little safety lines around the perimeter of it so people will see it and not trip over it. This is a cool product, guys. You need one of these. So that looks like the end of the box. So that's everything. So if there's any product here that you would like to see me do a demo on, or you would like more information on it, leave a comment. I'll see what I can do for you. I'll leave links below for all of these products, so it'll be easy for you guys to find. Be sure and visit autoforge.net consistently, because there's always new stuff being added almost daily, it seems like. So hope you found the video informative. Love to see your comments. This is Ron Atchison for autoforge.net. Thanks for watching.